Students, lesson number 12, muscular system and digestive system in human beings. So under this we see in the muscular system and types of muscle, that is voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles, that we had seen, and we got the information. Do you know, inside we got the information about the muscles which are present in our body. Okay, now the next point is the which organs, that was over the types of muscles. Okay, so the types of muscles inside, first muscle is the skeletal muscles. Like voluntary and involuntary muscles are there are some other types of muscles are also there, and inside it skeletal muscle. So these muscles are there. The two ends of each of the muscles are attached to the two different bones. Okay, two ends of these muscles are attached to the two different bones, means bones to bones. Okay, if it is attached to the first bone and then it is attached to the second bone, these are called as a which, that is a skeletal muscles. So bones to bones, these are called as a skeletal muscles. Now such a muscles are muscles where these are present in the arms, means here arm inside. If you see the picture, the arm is inside, these muscles are there, they attach to bone of the shoulder, to the bone of upper arm, then here arm bone to bone. So these are in the arms, and legs inside also are present. The movements are voluntary. Okay, means there is our control. So these are the voluntary muscles are there. They are also responsible for holding the bones. They are responsible for holding the bones of the skeletal together, means they hold the bones skeletal together and giving shape to our body. So that is about the skeletal muscles. The main thing inside it, they join the muscles to the bones, to two different bones. Okay, they are voluntary muscles and they are responsible for the holding bones and they are giving the shape to the body. So underline these points. Skeletal muscle inside, these are the main points. Okay, next second is the heart or the cardiac muscle. As I told you before, only the heart is made up of muscles only. So these muscles bring about the contraction and relaxation. You know that our heart is beating continuously. Okay, that sound we can hear. If you hold your hand towards little bit left side of your chest, you will feel the sound over there, and that is nothing but the beating of heart, and the contraction and relaxation takes place because of this that movement of the muscles. The movement is involuntary. Is there control on our heart? No. So it is involuntary muscles are there. Cardiac muscles cause our heart to relax and contract continuously. Okay, cardiac muscles are there over where, in our heart. So cardiac surgery and all you can hear. So the cardiac muscles are there, that they are present in our heart and they contract and relax continuously. Okay, and what is its rate? Means in 1 minute it beat 70 times it contract and it relax. Okay, so that is about the heart or the cardiac muscles. Okay, so main point what I told you, these muscles are present in our heart. Contraction and relaxation it takes place because of this. These are involuntary, and this beats, means this contraction and relaxation is how much it is there, 70 times in a minute. Next it is the smooth muscles. Okay, if you see here in our body, this is our heart. Okay, so these are cardiac muscles which are present in our heart, and here it is, these muscles are there, they are present in the, means these are skeletal muscles, they join the bone to two different bones. And then next it is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscle, these muscles are present in the internal organs other than heart. Except heart, there are some other muscles are there, they are made up from these muscles and they are called as which muscles? Smooth muscles. They are present here. If you see here, this is the part of the stomach, this is our part of large intestine and small intestine. These are made up of these smooth muscles. Okay, here it is smooth muscles. So in our body there are which three types of muscles that joins the bones to bones muscles. Bones to bone, those are called as a skeletal muscle. They are present in hand and in the legs. Secondly, these arms and the legs inside. Secondly, cardiac muscle, they are present in our heart. Okay, and these are called as a cardiac muscles. Thirdly, all other muscle organs are there in our body. Those are made up of muscles. They are made up of smooth muscles. Okay, and these muscles are present in the internal organs, okay, that are other than heart. For example, muscles of stomach, intestine, blood vessels, and uterus. These muscles are there. These organs are there. They are made up of muscles, and they are made up of which type of muscle? That is the smooth muscles. These movements are also involuntary and slow. Various vital very important functions are of our body, of which we remain quite unaware. We don't know about how the digestion, if we are remain silent also, then also in our body digestion, respiration, circulation, all the processes are going on, and these processes are what happens whenever we are unaware about these processes, and these functions are going on in your body, and they are takes place with the help of this special type of muscles, and these muscles are called as a smooth muscles, right? So that is about the types of muscles in our body. Okay, now can you tell how do muscles perform their function? As we know that the muscles are there, they perform their functions. There are coordination in between them. Some muscles are relaxing, some muscles are contracting, and due to this movement is takes place. Okay, now again here activity is given. Hold your arm straight to the elbow, that is 180 degree. You have to straight your hand in this way without closing your fist. Means fist also we are not going to close, it must be open. Now we have to bend our arm. We have to bend our arm in that way. Suppose this is your hand, and you have to bend it to the 90 degree, and then slowly we have to take our hand. What this is, suppose our hand, first of all we have to make it open in this way. Relaxed position is there. This is our hand, and suppose this is finger. Okay, now we have to take our hand till here, means 90 degree inside we have to take. So here I will take it here in the 90 degrees position. So my hand is here now. This is the 90 degrees position, and now we have to take our hand to join the touch your shoulder with your fingers. Now we have to touch our shoulder with our finger, means we have to take our hand here. Now you will notice that our upper part of the arm, what happens, it shows the this type of that muscular part. And what are those? These are called as muscles. Now muscles of which part of your arm is contracted? Now the muscles of our arm, which part? That is the upper position is there. Okay, upper position that contracts, means this part is there. This part's muscle is contract, and the muscles which are present below the bone, these are relaxed. Okay, and when you are relaxing your hand in this position, this backside's muscles what happen, they contract, and this forwards muscles relax. This process is going on in the when you are folding your hand. So what the name of these muscles are? The biceps and the triceps, where we will see here. So biceps are present here forward. You see here, means where you are showing your power or body, at that time you are showing the biceps. Okay, and the triceps are present below this, exactly biceps. So here muscles in our body always work in group. When some muscles contract, just now I told you for the first question, some muscles what happens, get relax. Some muscles contract, means whenever you are folding your hand, the muscles which are upper side of muscles, hands upper side is there. There which muscles are there? Biceps, and below this it is called as a triceps. So these triceps are there, it gets relaxed when you are taking your hand near your shoulder. This is how muscles help in the proper performance of various functions of our body. The muscles on the front of bone, of our upper arm. So this is our upper arm. Here some bones are there. These are called as a biceps, and the muscles at the back is called as a triceps. Okay, just now I told you that the muscles, if you are take the zoom here of this, you will notice that These are the biceps. Here bone is there under this, and below this some muscles are there. They are called as a triceps. So when you are touching your hand with the shoulder, the biceps, what happens? They contract. They contract, and we see the body over there, and the triceps relax. And when you are relaxing your hand, the biceps relax and triceps contract. In this way, one alternate process is going on in our hands muscles. So the muscles on the front of the bone are bone in our upper arm is called biceps, and the muscle that back is called as a triceps. Okay. So here it is. Chest muscles are there, biceps are there, flexors are there, next abdominal muscles are there, and deltoid. So muscles of different types are there given here, quadriceps and the flexors. These are present in our upper leg. This is present on the four legs of our body. Then abdominal muscles means digestive system, means that stomach inside they are present. Chest muscle, you know that our chest inside, deltoid. Biceps are present in the front of arm, and flexors are present in the forearm. Okay. What would happen if the cardiac muscle do not move? The person will die because the movement is not takes place. The food enter in the stomach, and the stomach muscles do not move. What will happen? The food will remain at that position. It becomes what? Spoil, and the person facing so many problems related to the health, and it may be fatal. He may be die. Muscles of our body must be strong and efficient. Muscles of our body must be strong and efficient. Our diet must be include protein, carbohydrates in sufficient quantity. Our diet must be include, means our diet inside must be proteins are there, carbohydrates are there in sufficient quantity. Okay. For the proper growth and repair of the muscle, we must get regular exercise. We have to do the regular exercise also. It makes the muscles strong. Okay. We must sit with straight back. Okay. Don't hunch your back. That good habits we have to follow to keep our muscles healthy. Now, and not with the back hunched or bent. Don't bend or don't hunch your back. Otherwise, gradually changes occur in the structure of the vertebrae. Okay. Our vertebral column is there. Okay. Here you know that the vertebral column is there, and inside it the changes are takes place, and we got the habit, and muscles are getting the shape of that hunching only. Here then gradually changes occur in the structure of the vertebrae. The muscles in the shoulder and back begins hurt. Due to this means bad habits, what happens? The sitting habit are wrong, and due to this what happens? The muscles in the shoulder, in our shoulder and back are there. Their muscles hurt, and disorders of the vertebral column may also arise. Means the back paining, neck paining, these are there. These problems are created because of this bad positions or bad means due to the wrong sitting position. So from this what we are understanding, muscles of our must be strong and efficient. For that we have to take the protein and carbohydrate rich food. We have to do the regular exercise, and with this we have to sit straight, follow the good habits of sitting. So here for the proper growth and repair, we have to do the regular exercise. We have to sit straight, don't hunch. Otherwise what happens? Our muscles get hurt, and because due to this what happens? We are facing the problems related to our what? Backbone or neck during exercise. So whenever you are doing the exercise, movements of the heart muscle becomes more rapid. It becomes heart beats very fastly. Breathing too becomes faster, and ensuring that sufficient. And due to this what happens? The muscles and the heart requires more oxygen for that purpose, and due to this what happens? The nutrients of various parts of body they are using, and so we have to do the regular exercise. Next part is the study of myology. Myology, study of muscles. The study of muscles is called as a myology. Contraction is the basic property of muscles. Okay, contraction is a basic property of muscle. The largest muscle of our body is which? Thigh muscle. Okay, this is our largest muscle of our body. That is the thigh muscle is there. This is the largest muscle. Then the smallest muscle attached to the bone of the ear called as a steps. Okay, the smallest muscle is there which is present in our where ear, and that is called as the steps. And that if you observe the structure of the ear, you will get this steps steps muscle, which is the smallest muscle of our body. So today we will stop here only. The next part we will start in our next lesson, that is the digestive system, because it is big one. Okay, and we cannot complete it in within a one period. So today we will stop here only. So all of you learn this, study this today's part of the lesson. Okay, and so no, I think nobody send me the exercise of last lesson, that is a lesson number 11. So all of you complete and send me today. Okay, so okay, today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you, have a good day, complete exercise and send me.